Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add subtitles in VideoLeap. Subtitles are essential element in the video content. VideoLeap provides simple tools to manually add and customize subtitles with different fonts, colors, animations and style. Especially on social media where many people watch videos without sound, adding subtitles makes your content more professional, informative and audience friendly. So first what you can do is launch your app. If you do not have a VideoLeap app yet, you can go to the Play Store or the App Store and download it from there as well. And on the bottom you can simply create a new video project, or you can go to the project here and go to this draft here. And once your video gets to the timeline, from the editing menu over here we can select to this text on the bottom, and over here what you can do is type the dialogue or the caption you want to display on the caption. Select to there, and that is it. Simply tap on the caption and it will automatically detect to the subtitles as well, and you can play the video to check the synchronization. Once satisfied, adding subtitles in the VideoLeap enhances clarity and video engagement. By using the tool and adjusting timing carefully, you can create professional looking caption subtitles for the educational videos, blogs, interviews and content. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.